Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower shop and you're watching Sunshower TV. Before you put in any pop-up sprinklers, I've got to give you one word of advice. Get one of these. So introducing our articulated riser. Now that's going to save your skin when you put pop-ups in down the line, because if you don't use it, well, I'm going to show you the trouble you're going to get into. So here we have our typical PVC pipe. Let's just imagine we have a pipe going along here and you've already had to dig a trench at exactly the right depth to make sure your pop-ups are sitting at the right height. It's very easy to get wrong, because if they're too low, it's not going to pop up high enough. And if they're too high, well, your first time your mower comes past, it's just going to chop the top off. So we'll just take a look here. That's your setup. Now if I go too high, mower comes along, bang, done. And also if I come past and step on it, something's going to break in here, something has to give, and it's usually the fitting in the PVC, and that's a real pain to repair. So what do? We instead install an articulated riser. So we'll take this all apart. And what we do instead with our PVC line, we'll move the PVC, install it sideways so it comes out the side, and we get our articulated riser here. I've put some Teflon on it already, and we'll screw in the end with a single elbow, like so. And let's imagine again, we've got our PVC line, and we can screw in our articulated riser. And we can see now, if we screw in our pop-up, we have all this movement. So we can now dig a shallower trench, for instance, and then we put in our articulated riser and we can set our pop-up to the height we need. The other benefit is we have this extra elbow, so you can flexibly move. So if someone were to step on it, has a little bit of give in it, so you're not putting any pressure on any of the joints, and you've got your pop-ups always set at the perfect height. That's why you use an articulated riser. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.